powerful website, you should know part 35. If you go to the website, readdy.ai, you can develop website with just one click. Write project name. You can also choose different language, but we will choose HTML. And press create button. After that, wait for a second, you will see new page, where you can define which type of website you want to develop. So we will just write I want to develop e-commerce t-shirt website and click enter and wait for a second, it will generate which component will be there in your website, like header, navbar, hero section, and etc. After that, press generate button, then wait for building website, it will take minutes to develop. Your website is ready now. If you want a copy code, so press on code button, and you will see whole code, just copy and paste. So, now you know how to build website within minutes. Thanks for watching. If you love this, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.